What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another cringy video. Here we got a can full of ashes and a firecracker right there. See it? A little firecracker. It's just ashes out of a fireplace over there. And we're gonna light it, and then it's gonna hopefully be cool. Hi, Josh. Welcome back.
Huh?
Welcome back, loser. Okay, so we're gonna light it yet. Why do you need that?
So I can see.
No. I'm just gonna put it above. Get it over here. We're just gonna do a little bit of setup here, and then we're gonna be right back. Okay, YouTube, here we are. We're back, and now we're gonna light it, and we got a nice top view, so it should look pretty cool. Here we go.
It's not working.
It's gonna have to work. What the heck? What in the heck? Okay. This is a strange
Few
thing.
more preparations.
No preparations.
No preparations?
No preparations.
Okay then.
Here we go.
Let's just make like a small fire in there.
No.
That's what I did.
No. Don't touch! Don't touch it! Don't touch it!
It just slipped.
Don't touch it. Okay, we're gonna be right back. We're gonna try something else. So, here we are again, YouTube. We got this. Where is it? Oh, there it is. We got this. I kind of trimmed it down a little bit. There's a little stub of a thing sticking out of there. So I'm gonna try to light that, and then maybe that'll work, and maybe not. So here we go. Let's get that right in there. Back off, Charlotte. Back off. Get away. It's inside. Okay, and then we're gonna light it. So here we go. Yeah, here we go. Ow! Jesus, my ear. Oh my God, my ear. Man, that's a lot louder than I remember on the 4th of July. Whoa. Holy cow. Oh man. My ear is ringing so hard. Yeah, so it doesn't look like it did much. Sprayed some ashes around. It's not warm or anything in there. Just a bucket of ashes. Got a little bit of the firecracker material there, and a little bit there. Man, my ears are still ringing. Hurts. Yeah, wow. That was loud. I'm gonna go back through the footage and I'm gonna look at that. Maybe it'll be cool, maybe it won't. Probably won't. Yeah. Until next time, YouTube. Peace.